tinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan, hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal. Ang naging pa ako narinig dito sa daigdig, hanggang may musika ko tinatala kita'y ibig. Giliw ako sa nag-isipin, di kaya inilisan, di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong marang mo kung gaano ka hanggang diwa ko'y tanging sa'yo na mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may bibig pa ako narinig dito sa daigdig, hanggang may musika ko tinatanda kita'y ibig. Giliw ako sa isipin, di kaya inilisanin, di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano ka mahal. Hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal, nagsinisigaw ay nagkakita. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y humingang may kapal. Giliw ako sa isipin, ikaw ay aking inisalin, di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw.
رمضان ما يحتاج جماعته.
Good evening. Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahihintay pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Doon ka nasasayang ng buhay mo, at ako'y binubulong ng iyong puso. ikaw ay kapag sumusuko kung hirap muling pagsubok naman. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan iyong tapang? Naguluwa, nawawala ng pag-asa, at iniisip na natutulog pa. Natutulog ba, Diyos? Natutulog ba? Sikapin mo, pilit mo, tibayan ng iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain na natutulog ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Dapat na ba na ikaw ay maghintay at himukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana? Gawin mo na kung ano ang nararaman. Magsikap ka at mag-iwala sa may kapal. Nakataong Diyos umalalay sa'yo. Hihintay ka lang, kaibigan. Sikapin mo, pilit mo, tibayan ng iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain na tutulog ba ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Sige man. Hello, kakanta na si Ashley. Magpatulog kayo, hoy. Puri naka 600 ka, ayabag mo.
يعني لما تشتري غرفة
Dinadaan na nga lang namin sa kanta yung nanakit namin. Huwag kang ganyan, huwag kang mangano. Ikaw matulog dahil naka 600 ka. Wala akong isang Ayan, nawakanta na si Ashley. Ayan. Kahit matanda ka na daw. Ano na daw, hindi ka maging ulyanin. Kaya sabi ni Ashley, hindi ka na maging ulyanin, Pilpa. Ayan, narinig mo? Kaya mega love shoutout sa aking na guwapong kapatid kay Ranilo Villanueva. Yee! Kuya Lilo! Hello, kanta ka! Kuya Ranil! Hello! T-shirt walang isinti, mayabang, yabang, yabang. Kung may 600 ka, hindi wow.
Sabay tayong mangarap sa nakaraan natin.
Pinapraktis practice ko na Kuya Ronel at ako'y sasali sa Got Talent. Kailangan ko mag-practice. Mapapanood mo ko sa iyo pa sa Facebook. Pilipinas Got Talent.
Ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig
May galap shoutout sa aking kapatid na si Randy Villanueva.
kung mapapili
Si Randy. Ayun, si Kuya Ronel, oh, nagtatagay daw. Habang kon lang kami, tamang kanta. At taga Cavite. Caviteño.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin.
Cavite.
Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit mapaprig na ang puso, kahit mapaprig
Galap shoutout. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and share. Kay Alan D. Vlog. Pamanganganta ng Cavite. Si Ashley Boy. Ano kanyang pang-akot, pang-amateur. Tahi. Ayan, tahi. Yan. Ito, pangalawang kasali ko sa Philippines Got Talent din daw ito. Si Ashley. Dito kami, dito sa Riyadh. Tapos ang trabaho, konting pa-relax muna konti. Maya higa, tulog. Shout out to the Alan D. Vlog from Vatican City, Israel. Sunny Garcia Vlog. May galap shout out, classmates. Gusta, classmate?
Nais ko kayong pasalamatan.
Ingat dyan.
Sa isang awitin, parang kailan lang halos
Buhay OFW.
palimos sa lansangan. Dahil sa inyo ang nagtiyan at nabusay ng kalaban. Kaya ito aking gawin, inaawit nais ko kayo ay natulan. Matanda at lilisin ako,
Nakaraan.
mayroong awit
80s.
iiwan sa inyo.
Na 80s na song. Mga 80s. Ay, salamat classmates.
Parang kailan ang mga awitin ko ay
Salamat sa pabuse. Hindi pa yung mga pato, matataas ang views ng mga video mo.
dahil dito'y ibig ko kayong ituring na matalim ko kayo.
Siguro monetize ka na, classmates.
Tatanda at lilipas din ako, ngunit mayroong awitin
Ay, shout out! El Chinito! El Chinito ng ang Hanoverian ng Jadil Tate. Eh, bumalik na sa kwan. Sa kanyang pinanggalingan. May galang shout out kay El Chinito. Kumusta si Henry? May galap shoutout kay Ana Rasek. Ayan. Ana Rasek. May galap shoutout sa'yo. Ingat. Kay Ophelia Anilyahan. Ayan. Thanks for watching. May galap shoutout din po. Ito ang buhay namin sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Ito ang aming buhay. Tubig. Ay, tubig. Tignan mo na tubig mo. Oh, sleep. Hindi ko alam. Ano maganda?
Wala ko kayo, mga kunti pa kayo natin. Baka kaya magkakabuha kami natin kayo, magtinda kayo eh.
Ah! Ano? Ayan. Dahil ka lang shoutout. Ganun talaga. Yung mga kanta ng mga 90s, 80s, sa mga kanta ngayon.
Pagsasan naalala tayo kita kahit ngayon mayroong nagmamahal na iba. May isip itong tandaan na nababalik at parang nariyan ka sa aking tabi. May nadarama ang yakap mo, bakit mga muli ang halibig mo? Narinig sinusamba, ako ay mahal mo. Pagsaminsan ang alaala mo'y nagbabalik at aking ko hanggang ngayon ika'y ibig. unti-unti umababa ang luha ko. Pinagsisihan lahat ng aking pagkukulang. Kaya nga sa akin ay lumisan. Kahit ngayon may tanong iba, kahit sinasabing bago siya, sa puso ko ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko. Pagminsan ang alaala mo'y nagbabalik, at ang tingin ko hanggang ngayon ika'y iniibig. Hinihiling ko na kahit nasaan ka man ngayon, iisipin mo ko kahit paminsan-minsan lang.
Ayan. Salamat. Salamat, classmate. Galing. Ay, binobola mo lang ako. Ana Rasik. Ganun talaga. Kailangan gantahan. Siyempre, nakakaya sa viewers eh. Diba?
She knew when I lost her. She cries when I'm sad. She's not at the good times. She's down in the bed. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But her, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles. She made it all seem right. I can make her excuses, not the whole here at night. We can come on tomorrow, and there are things that I want to do. But girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything's right whenever I'm with you. So girl, How can I say it's beautiful? Ever still like day. But where is it easy? There's someone worth through other. Had to tell her about you. How can I tell about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything's right whenever I'm with you. So girl, what did you tell me? I'll tell her about you.
Ay, buddy, kumusta? Manganta muna, buddy. Offset naman bukas, buddy. Harrison, halika! Harrison! Shoutout!
Di mo naisip na iyong iwanan ang aking puso. Labis na nasaktan, malibang ang pag-ibig ang aking inalay. Ika'y natakhala, ito ay hindi tunay. Bakit ba biglang naglaho ang pag-ibig mo sa akin? Bakit ayaw mong tingin mga paliwanag ko? Sabi mo'y sadyang wala na dahil sa pagkakasala. Bakit tayo ba'y lagi naniniwala ka? Bakit sita? Di mo maamin na dahil sa akin ang ating pag-ibig ngayon ay nalago na. Damali kong puso yung pagbabago.
Shoutout kay Benji.
At magpala sadyang pag-iyak ko. Bakit ba biglang naglaho ang pag-ibig mo sa akin? Bakit tayo mong tingin mga baliwanag mo? Sabi
tayo. Mega love shoutout. Uy! Salamat sa paliwanag. MKG. Ang hirap naman pasahin.
Wag nang gawin ang kasawian. May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Sikat din ang iyong araw. Ang landas mo ay mag-ilaw. Sa daigdig ang buhay ay ganyan. May iyong ligaya at lumbay. Maghintay at may nakalaang bukas. May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Tutulungan ka ng Diyos na mayroon ang iyong pagdaramdam. Ilalapin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay
Uy, mayuwi ah. Baka madali tayo dyan. Kumusta dyan sa Canada?
sa daigdig ang buhay ay ganyan. Mayroong ligaya at lumbay. Maghintay at may nakadaang bukas. Ay bukas pa nasa iyong buhay. Tutulungan ka ng Diyos na mayroon ang iyong pagdaramdam. Ilalangin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay mawalan ng lumusan. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, ilalangin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay mawalan ng lumusan.
Ang request ni MK. Ano ba? request mo?
أحب أدخل تطبيق أمازون وأقارن الأسعار وأخطف العروض وأوفر.
وفر أكثر. حمل تطبيق أمازون.
Kumusta na? Ayan naman. ito, request mo.
Love, the clear, as so awaits the final curtain. My friends, I'll make it clear, I'll state my case, of each uncertain. I believe I like that wood I'll reach, and every highway and more, much more than this, I live in my way. Regrets I had a few, but then again, to feel your mention, I believe that I had to do, and so true, without exception. I plan each year's course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I live my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure of you, where I thought what I could do, but when there was a love, I did not answer it all. I belong, I stood on, and it my way. I've loved it right, I had no fear, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so obviously. The thing I live a lot, and my eyes say, night I shine where. Oh no, let me, I did my way. For what is a man, what is done, and I said, there is none to see things it truly feels, and I don't know what it is. The record shows I put the most held in my
Ayan. Oo, nakakamiss talaga. Ano ba? Sige, sige. Mga request mo.
Unlimited free delivery for 1 year for new users on Hunger Station. Download the app
Masyado
and
sa
order
auto.
now.
Try natin. Try.
Tell me where they be mine. Tell me what no. We can share away. Tell me what no. You give happiness to me. All my life is getting away. Every moment's a day. Every day's a lifetime. Let me show you the way to enjoy the afterday. I can't wait no more. Tell me what no. She's me that you adore. And the darling get away.
Ano? Hindi, pinata ko na yung Rick Smith. Papanuma, pabago to.
Every moment's a day. Every day's in a lifetime. Let me show you the way to my joy and comfort. I can wait a moment more. Tell me what no. Say it's needed to know. Everybody gets away. Everybody gets away. My darling, take it away.
O, diba? Thanks for watching. Ano ba? Ano pa tayo? Mga old song.
Love me with all your heart. That's all I want, love. Love me of your heart and all. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, darling, dear, love me, love you, as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or another. Love you always as you love me from the start. With every beat of your heart.
Thanks for watching. Salamat sa star. Bigyan ng mestiza ba?
Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment, for an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start. We have the need of your heart.
Ano pa? My love. Ito. Tingnan ito. El Mundo. Nakakamiss yung mga kantang una, no?
Stay beside me, stay beside me. Say you'll never leave me. How I love you, how I love you. How I love you is to leave me. In your arms, I found my heaven. Heaven is heaven that there El Mundo. Your love is like in my world. That never is split in my world. How could ever live without you? El Mundo, my heart goes to stay. And promise you'll never break. Say stay here in my arms. Stay beside me, stay beside me. Say you'll never leave. How I love you, how I love you, how I need you, please believe me. And your arms I found my heaven, and you live at the third part. El Mundo, your love is the light in my world. Let that turkey split in my words. How will I ever live without you? El Mundo, my heart longs to stay. And promise me you'll never fade. Say you'll stay here in my arms. Here in my arms.
Raymundo. Mega love shoutout to kay Raymundo. Ayan, thanks sa 29 million in the house. Napakaraming viewers ni Alan D. Vlog. Salamat at nagustuhan nyo yung mga song. The old song is good. Napaka mahalaga, masarap pakinggan sa tenga. Ayan. Thanks for watching, guys. Nakanta na po ang Pambato ng Cavite. Ayan o, mga Pambato ng Cavite o, si Ashley. Ashley, pa-request sila. Galingan mo daw.
Old sing.
Nakakanta na po.
Heaven knows mo na, heaven knows.
Naglalaro ka pa na eh. Naglalaro ka. Ayan o. love shoutout po. Yan. Kumakanta ng mga 90s. 90s, 2000. Year ng 90s or 2000.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I feel when run from this wicked,
Yeah.
and my eyes are like wishing on a rainy day. I'm a certain swelling as I keep on keeping my place in this moment of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am. 'Cause this angel has gone away.
Mega love shoutout kay Jefferson Yoro.
Sorry,
Thanks for watching.
I should have
Bro.
her wings and made her mind grow. It turned
Mega love shoutout. All my viewers.
gone away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. It did not believe it was I love her
Salamat
so.
sa pasilip.
Will she ever find her way back home to me? Once alone,
Ay,
I feel like I
Wala.
for the weeks, feeling up all
Wala nga.
night in this world that puts me
wala pagpaikot.
worlds and dreams.
Ama na yung kumakanta. Ikaw narito ka sana, di papaikutin.
Now my lips are
Ay,
burning
papaikutin.
and my eyes are shining from this
Thanks for watching. Renante. Pasyente.
Just to pass my time.
Brad, salamat sa pasulyak. Sa pasilay.
Cause this angel has gone away from me.
Ang makanta lang.
Leaving me drunk in misery.
Ito, balay kong salam. My friend, sali.
Her wings and
Yes, Alec.
made her mind grow.
Kamam.
Eternity. Now this angel has gone away from me. Thought I had the strength to see
Oo nga eh. Sama na loob. Tapos tawali ka pa. Bigyan ka pa ng 200. Patay.
so. Will she
Bakla.
ever find her way back?
At ako, naisip ko yung ating fan. Wala tayo binigyan. Sarap umiyaw, no? Masarap sabihin sa kanya na PO na lang. Wala eh, ganun talaga.
Hindi ko lang nahas.
Daan lang natin sa kanta para mawala yung kwan, yung ating stress. Ganun talaga. May multa ka. Okay. Natatawa talaga ako. Wala, ganun. Ganun talaga. Kailangan mo dumaan sa pagsubok. Ito na dyan, may multa ka pa. No? Isip pa. Saklap man din na. Kaya naman. Laking bagay ng 200. Malaking bagay. 200.
Rainbow skies
Basta,
the only prayer is that you realize
aray ko!
you'll always
Ano ng
be
buhay? Umaray ka na lang ng isang beses.
in my
Mawawala na yan. Sabi niyo pa naman, di ba? Dali. Oy, kay Kalab shoutout kay Pinsang Tani Tabaki. San Tani. Abay, matulog na ay. Wari kinatagay ka diyan. Ano oras na ba? Mag-aalas 10 na dyan. Pinas. Kamusta dyan sa buhay? Sa tani. Alam mo na hindi ka nakikita ng personal.Ag-uwi ko. Agay tayo. Abay, si Pamangkin Russell. Bigyan ba? Abay, congratulations Otoy. Katapos din sa wakas. Salamat sa Diyos. Pag-aaral. Pag-aaral ha. Yan lang talagang may papamana ni Papa mo. At di nag-aaral, ako, kawawa. Wala ka mag-aaral. Nakatapos ka, pwede ka na mag-abroad. Pwede ka mag-abroad.
Was true love that never dies. You'll always be beautiful
Thanks for watching guys. Salamat.
in my
Kailangan niya ako nakapag-live.
You will always be.
At sa content. Viewers. Idolo Bets.
And if I used to show that you will always grow.
Sa Saudi. Pinapakatakat pa rin ang quadro. Side.
The passing years to
Tigil ang
show
lahat.
that you will always grow and more beautiful.
Kahit may pera sila, ay tayo iba. Wala lang sa Diyos. Iwala lang sa Panginoon. Ang buhay ng OFW dito sa bansa
رمضان
Riyadh, Saudi
ما
Arabia.
يحتاج جماعة أحباب بس يحتاج له حضور يكملك ويجملك
Thanks for watching guys.
يحتاج عطر أصيل يعزك ويرزك
Ayun. Teka lang shout out kay Jose Gordon. Kumusta na, Jose? Ano na, di ka na nag-abroad? Oh, may negosyo ka na dyan sa Pilipinas, Jose.
Nobody knows this world,
Buhay kami.
but it is clear.
Tapos lang main.
There are places to ride, the roads and the third one. And if the universe goes by, don't ever try to make us feel worthwhile. They know whatever you will be, so push your eyes.
Gusto na dyan sa atin.
Close your eyes, dry your tears. There's no time seems clear. Your peace is there.
Mga bagawin na kabisi.
You wait, all your doubts and fears. Weary heart, your peace is there. right. I know my stupid things like we were so high. That was all that we were on. We belong. And though the world will never understand, this I believe and why it still stands. Someday we will be celebrated.
Nandiyan ka ba sa Juan, Manila?
When the light disappears, and when this world will say you'll be saved, when nobody hears your scream, while when you'll be saved. Oh, save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be saved from the stillness of your
Sa pala?
fears.
Alam mo, sa Manila ka?
When the light
Ah, ingat. Diyan sa Bicol. Hindi pa nakasisignal, no? Thanks for watching.
You'll be saved when nobody hears you scream. While screaming, you'll be saved in my arms through the long cold nights deep down. You'll be saved when no one understands why I believe you'll be saved. You'll be saved. You'll be
Mahina yung signal namin. Mahina.
Put your heart in my hand, you'll be saved.
Ayan po ang mga nganta ng Cavite. Si Ashley. Ito yung maganda. Ako. Your love. Your love.
أحب أتخ...
Testira.
What's a love
Jonathan. Thanks for watching. Selosa.
If we had a chance of heart, then you know why you're free apart. You'd give me where the memories start. If we had a chance of heart, if we had exchanged apart.
Ano maganda? Thanks for watching. Selosa ako, Jonathan.
If we had to live a life without you near me, days should all be empty. The night is so long, intimacy forever so near me. And my deep love for, it never will be strong. I dream for love and leave now. The deepest fear we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing will change my love for you. You don't know how much I love you. One thing you can be sure, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing will change my love for you. You don't know how much I love you. We're just one like me too. Nothing will change my love for you. The apple I had to bless so we see. Our love is great for us, like a guiding star. I'd be there for you, you need me. Need heaven, Jesus takes. I love just who you are. I'll be picture of you and have you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing will change my love for you. You don't know how much I love you. One thing you can be sure, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing will change my love for you. You don't know how much I love you. The world might still let you, but nothing will change my love. Nothing will change my love for you. You don't know how much I love you. One thing you can be sure, I never ask for more than your love.
Ay! Ba't ka naman nalungkot? Dating ka ng Keep My Love For You ka eh.
Nothing will change my love for you. You don't know how much I love you. One thing you can, but nothing gonna change my love for you. Nothing will change my love for you.
Thanks for watching.
karaoke.
It might be you. Thank you sa pahar. One more. Ito, it might be you. Pinasigap ni Alan B. Maleta, sige ulit mo. Kaya mo eh. Wala hindi lang ulit.
Bayad nga lang yan. Nagbayad na siya sa'yo.
KFC in Bristol. The tastiest, sauciest collab ever.
Mamayin mo yung maleta? Sige, kunin mo. Mamili ka dito. Maraming maleta dito.
Take me through your mind, show me where to start. Everything about our first love, all the stars, every wish is on the night, my love. Even though somewhere crosses like the day, telling me now today, but I lost you. Gotta believe in love. Tell me how we would find each other. Even the words would stray.